Daily affirmations to strengthen your brain. The brain is a masterpiece that evolves with use, attention, and care. As we grow older, many believe that their minds begin to fade, but the truth is something far more empowering. The human brain never stops responding to positive influence, and with the right daily affirmations, anyone can nourish their mental strength, deepen clarity, and awaken fresh joy, no matter their age. Every word you speak to yourself is a seed. And when those words are kind, uplifting, and powerful, they help your mind bloom like a garden in spring. Imagine starting each day not with worry, but with words that energize and protect your mind. Saying, "I am mentally strong," may seem small, but repeated over time, it becomes truth. These affirmations are not just phrases. They are tools that shape how your brain thinks, feels, and responds to life. Science backs it up. Positive self-talk helps improve focus, reduces stress, and even sharpens memory in older adults. Affirmations are not just for the young or the new. They are for the wise, the seasoned, the experienced. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video or believe someone else could benefit from it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep bringing content that matters to people who need it the most, just like you. Think about your brain as a lifelong companion. The more love and encouragement you give it, the more it gives back. By saying, "I am grateful for my sharp mind," you are reminding your brain that it has strength and value. Gratitude itself has been proven to rewire brain pathways, promoting calmness and better cognitive health. That's the magic. Words have power, even at 65, 75, or 85. Age does not weaken the power of belief. If anything, it strengthens it. Each morning is a new opportunity to affirm your brilliance. Speak to yourself kindly. Say, "My memory is strong and dependable." Feel the truth in it. Let it sink in. Neuroscience has shown that the more often a person repeats a statement they believe in, the more the brain builds neural connections to support it. You're not pretending, you're programming. You're teaching your brain how to think better, think stronger. And when those hard days come, as they sometimes do, repeat, "I face challenges with calm and clarity." This single sentence can ground you. It can stop the spiral of stress and redirect your mind toward strength. This isn't just emotional fluff. It's how resilience is built, by choosing strength again and again, even when life gets noisy and difficult. That choice is in your hands every single day. It's never too late to improve your mind. Age is not a limit. It's a launching pad. You've gathered wisdom, stories, and strength. Now it's time to anchor them with affirmations that remind you of who you truly are. Say, "I am full of wisdom and clarity." These words mirror your lived experiences and activate confidence. When repeated regularly, they serve as daily medicine for mental health and inner peace. Try using a mirror in the morning. Look into your eyes and affirm, "I deserve a clear, joyful mind." It might feel odd at first, but over time, it becomes a ritual that fills you with assurance. Psychologists agree, self-affirmation techniques increase self-esteem, reduce anxiety, and improve decision-making. Your reflection can become your reminder of strength. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity. You don't need a therapist, a class, or a book. You only need your voice. Try this. "I am improving every day in mind, spirit, and energy." Say it with feeling. Let your voice carry intention. Your brain listens. Every word is like light streaming into a room that once felt dim. In moments when you forget, come back to your affirmations. They are not just lines on paper. They are tools. When your mind feels cluttered, say, "My thoughts are clear and organized." It's like opening a window in a stuffy room. Words like these bring in fresh air. They clean the clutter. They gently guide your thoughts back to peace. You might feel tired sometimes, not just in body, but in mind. That's okay. Say this, "My mind is peaceful, even in stillness." It's in rest that your brain restores itself. Just like muscles need rest to grow, your brain needs gentle encouragement to rejuvenate. Speak that peace into existence. Let it calm you from the inside out. You are not alone in this journey. There are thousands of people just like you, strong, experienced, determined, learning to build a better brain with nothing more than words. And you are leading by example. Each time you say, "I choose calm over worry," you are showing that strength is a choice, not just a trait. Your affirmations should be repeated every morning and every evening. It's just like brushing your teeth. Mental hygiene is just as important. Try. Each day my brain becomes stronger and brighter. These words, said daily, form a shield. They protect you from doubts, negativity, and fear. You become the guardian of your own mind. If you've ever doubted yourself, remember this. I am more than my mistakes. This affirmation allows your brain to release shame and embrace growth. Mistakes are not the end. They are lessons. With age comes wisdom, and with wisdom comes the ability to speak to yourself with kindness. Loneliness can affect the brain. So tell yourself, I am connected, loved, and valued. Even if you live alone, you are not alone. You are part of something bigger. Words like these open the heart, reduce isolation, and activate areas of the brain linked to emotional bonding. Your brain is wired for connection. You have the right to feel joy every day. Say it proudly. My life is full of beautiful moments. Even on quiet days, there is beauty. The more you say it, the more your brain notices those small joys. A bird at your window, the aroma of morning tea, the laughter of a grandchild. Affirmations make joy louder. Don't be afraid to talk to yourself out loud. It's not foolish, it's powerful. I am proud of who I am and who I'm becoming. This affirmation reminds your brain that aging is not about decline. It's about evolving. Every stage of life holds its own power. You are exactly where you are meant to be. Stress is one of the brain's biggest enemies, but it can be managed. Repeat. I release stress with every breath I take. Breathe slowly and deeply as you say it. You are not a slave to worry. Your mind can learn peace. With repetition, this becomes your natural response instead of panic. Focus is a skill that can be strengthened. Say, I am focused, present, and alert. The brain listens. It sharpens itself in response. You can train it just as you would train a muscle. The more you affirm your focus, the more you regain it. Even if it sometimes feels scattered. On days when life feels heavy, try this. My mind is strong, my heart is open, and my soul is calm. That's a whole body affirmation. It ties your thoughts to your feelings and grounds them in peace. It's holistic, it's healing, and it's powerful for every age, especially yours. Be patient with yourself. Affirm, I grow stronger and wiser with time. These words build resilience. They remind your brain that age is an advantage, not a weakness. You carry decades of learning. Affirmations tap into that well of strength and help it rise to the surface. Whenever self-doubt creeps in, say, I believe in myself and my abilities. These words work like a switch. They turn on confidence. Confidence isn't about ego, it's about clarity. The brain becomes sharper when we trust ourselves. You've been through so much. You've earned that trust. Let today be the day you begin a new habit. A habit of speaking life, not fear. Hope, not limitation. Say aloud, each word I speak makes my brain brighter. Then go out and live those words. Let your days reflect the strength you affirm. And as you continue this journey, remember, your brain believes what you consistently tell it. So speak love, speak light, speak strength.